Chapter 17. Aquatic Life. Ponder a while. What kinds of plants and animals live in the water bodies? Can you classify all the animals to show which one lives in water and which one lives on land? Do you know anyone who has suffered from malaria? Why does it happen? Living beings are found everywhere on the earth. They are found on the land, under the ground, in water, in air, and even in the frozen regions. It is believed that life has started from water. Millions of creatures, oceans, rivers, and other water bodies. Aquatic life. Plants that are adapted to live in water are called aquatic plants. They are also known as hydrophytes or macrophytes. Aquatic plants help to keep the water clean by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Submerged plants. Plants that grow under the water are called submerged plants. Roots of these plants fix themselves to the bottom of the water body. They are able to float due to their narrow leaves and spongy stem. Common examples of such plants are hydrilla, vallisneria, and tape grass. Free-floating plants. Free-floating plants are the plants that are not fixed to the soil and float on the surface of water. The roots of the plants are poorly developed or even absent. They have light and spongy parts due to which they are able to float. Duckweed, water hyacinth, and jassia are some examples of free-floating plants. Rooted floating plants. Plants that are found on the surface of water but are fixed to the soil with their roots are called rooted floating plants. Their stem is long and hollow and leaves are broad enough to float. Water lily and lotus are common examples of such plants. Fact trivia. Emergent plants are the plants which are seen growing along the banks of rivers and lakes. Cattail is an example of such plant. Aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds grow densely in water and spread very fast. They cause water pollution, clog waterways, produce bad odor, and suck up all the oxygen from the water. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in or on the surface of water are called aquatic animals. These animals are adapted in different ways that enable them to survive in their environment. They have special features which help them to adjust with their surroundings. Fishes. Fishes of different sizes and shapes live in water. They have gills which help them to breathe. Gills trap water to get their supply of oxygen that is dissolved in water. Their streamlined body, fins, and tail help them to maintain balance and to swim. Fact trivia. Amphibians are the animals that live on both land and in water. When they are on land, they breathe with the help of their lungs, and in water, they breathe with the help of thin and moist skin or gills. For example, frog. Crustaceans. Crustaceans are shelled animals like shrimps, lobsters, barnacles, crabs, prawns, etc. Such animals have flippers and special limbs that help them to walk across the bottom of the water bodies. They breathe through gills. Reptiles. Reptiles are the animals like snake, crocodile, turtle, etc. Turtles move their front flippers through the water to swim while the rear flippers do the steering. Water bodies. Water birds such as duck or heron breathe through lungs and tiny nostrils located at the top of their beaks. Ducks possess webbed feet which help them to swim in the water, while herons have long and slim legs that help to stand in water. They catch their food from water by using their narrow and pointed beak. Aquatic mammals. Aquatic mammals like dolphins and whales have streamlined body and fins that help them to swim. They come to water surface to breathe in air because they breathe through